Hey everyone, I've been looking for small monitors to use with my computer for a while now. I've not really been able to find anything passive that's small enough within this decent cheap price range. I was looking for something around £100 and I came across this brand called Tibo, which is a UK based company. I've never heard of them and I couldn't really find anything about their speakers in terms of reviews. Richer Sounds sell them for £89, but they're Harmony 4, which is bigger. Currys sell them, but they're £89. Amazon also sell them for £89. But on Amazon, Tibo themselves sell them directly. And I was able to get these for £40, so I think they're on offer at the moment. So let's have a quick look at the specs. I'm doing this review because I couldn't find any info. I thought it might help someone. So as you can see, the dimensions are quite small. So width is 14.5 centimeter, height is 24.5 centimeters, the depth is 17.8 centimeters, and it's got banana plugs connection in the back and it's rear ported. It's 100 watts per speaker, 4 kilograms. It's black. I'm not sure what the pattern is on it. The frequency response is 86 decibels, so not super efficient. And the frequency range is 55 Hz to 20 kHz. That's the other thing I was looking for. I needed speakers that went down low enough, not into sub bass, but low enough so I don't have to use a sub. And let's quickly open it up. A warranty, user guide, technical support. Speakers are well packed. So it looks like they're magnetic fronts. The Tibo branding, yeah, they're magnetic. Let's open this one up. Yeah, feels about 4 kilos. Not bad looking speaker, so looks like it's a 1-inch tweeter, and I believe that's a 3-inch or 3.5-inch mid-range. Let's take another look at them. So as you can see, they're very small, just what I need to go next to my monitor. It's got a 5-way binding post for a rear port, so you probably can't have them too close to the wall. It's a shame it's not front ported. The finish looks decent. It's black wood effect veneer. You can see some grains. There you go, grain effect. They do feel nice and not bad looking. Let's check them out with the grills on. Not bad. I'm going to do a sound check with an external microphone, connect it to my Denon amplifier and compare them to the Polk S50Es, which to me sound amazing in terms of music and movie playback. And I'll use Room EQ, the built-in Room EQ wizard to just do a sound frequency check. It'll also be specific to my room and the position of the speakers, and see if they actually do go down to 55 Hz. So that'll be interesting. Those Polks I have, they're meant to go down to 42 Hz, but it actually goes lower than that because of where I have them in the room, and they sound good. Bass wise, I can actually turn the sub off and it still sounds good. I have two Cambridge Audio X201s, which are very loud, but the Polks on them on their own, if I turn on bass on them, it sounds amazing still. Just a quick size comparison of the Tibo Harmony 2 compared to the Cambridge Audio X201 subwoofer. As you can see, it's very compact. And then this is the Polk S50E tower speaker, and next to it is the Onkyo, I can't remember what they're called, it's the Atmos, up-firing Atmos speaker. This is a size comparison with a Cambridge Audio Minx Min 22 rear surround speaker. I've opened one of these speakers up. The tweeter is 6 ohms and the mid-range is 4 ohms. Can't get it to focus. There you go. 4 ohms for the mid-range. Let me see if I can get this focused. And 6 ohms for the tweeter. The crossover looks fairly decent. Don't know too much about the different types of crossovers. It looks okay to me. Just a quick summary if I think about these speakers. I've been testing them, using them for gaming, music. So they're really designed for near field. I got them as bookshelf speakers to go next to my monitors. They sound great. They don't go as low as some other full range speakers, but they're not full range speakers, so they actually do a really good job. The highs are not too bright, it's good, but it's not as bright as some other speakers. Not excessive brightness, but it's good. The mids are really good on this. Because of the sensitivity is 86 dB, it does require a little bit more power to drive them. The connections on the back are very good. been using banana plugs. I believe the impedance is 6 ohms. It says 48, but looking inside, the tweeter is 6, and the 4-inch long throw woofer is 4 ohms. It didn't come with any feet, so I've put my own ones on them. It is rear ported, which means if you have it too close to the wall, it does sound a bit boomy. The front grille is magnetic, quite powerful. This looks pretty good. I quite like it. I have them with their grills off. The finish in it is very good. I'm pleased with them. They were only £40 at the time of this video.